Yes, today I am going to discuss how to install OpenCV in Anaconda environment. So I am going to install OpenCV and Anaconda so we can run the computer vision related application. So first what I will going to do, I'll just download first through this link. I'll just going to download through this link. You click here and then this is anaconda.com product and individual. Then you click the download. You can install the any of if your system is a 64-bit, you can install the graphical installer of this one, and then when you install, finally it will be look like this. If you go here, I can show you. Yeah, this is Anaconda 3. Okay, if you run this one, next, agree, you just select just me, next. This is a path. If you want to change this path, you can change this path. I'll just change because I have already in my system. I have already in my system is installed. So I'll show you one more step that will be good for you people. Okay, I'll just install. I'll just make an only one folder, and I'm going to install. Next, you need to check this one, advanced option as well as a register. So you have to check when you are going to install. So what is the faida for this one? What is a good advantage for this one? When you just run through the command prompt, you can run the Jupyter notebook. Okay, so I'll just install. Okay, so now in my system already it is a install an Anaconda environment, that is a Python. I'm just going to open command prompt. Okay, just make bigger so you can easily visible. Okay, I'll just make the size a little bit big so now you can see. So I'll just write Jupyter notebook notebook, so it will be open. Suppose you want to know where it is installed your Anaconda, so you just write one program, simple program is there, import sys, okay, import sys, and then print sys dot, you can press the tab executable and run this one. So this is a path where Anaconda is installed on your system. Anaconda 3 folder. Okay, C user and CS is my computer name and Anaconda 3. So you can find the path where you install the Anaconda. Okay. After that, if you want to install the OpenCV, you just go to this link and open this one. You can find the OpenCV. So as your choice, you can download the any OpenCV from here. Okay, window, and then download this one. Okay, so I'm not going to download now. I already downloaded on my system. So I'll just open this one. This is my OpenCV. I already downloaded. This is a version of 2.4.13.6. So if you double click this one, it will make one folder like this. So what you have to do, you have to go to the OpenCV folder, build, then Python, then 2.7. Then after, you have to go to the x64. If your system is this one, copy this file and go where you install your Anaconda. So user CS, I installed Anaconda, this one. This is my directory where I install the Anaconda. So now I'll just go to the library folder, then site packages folder. Here you just need to paste your things. So I have already pasted here CV2. So it will install your OpenCV. Okay. After that, what you have to do, again restart your notebook. I'll just restart this one. Again, I will write command Jupyter py Jupyter notebook. Okay, so run again. Now I'm going to test my OpenCV is working or not. So I'll just write import CV2. So if you run this one, it is working. Sometimes you will get the error. What type of error you will get? You will get DLL loaded failed error when you importing this CV2. So what you have to do, you have to go to the, just write pip install opencv-python. So if you just go to the Anaconda prompt and run this command, pip install opencv-python. So if you run this command, I have already, it is installed, so it will say it is already installed, requirement already satisfied. So in your case, it will be successful download. So this is a complete how to install the Anaconda and how you can install the OpenCV in Anaconda environment. Thank you very much.